Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. I promised you trifle during the week and that's what I'm making today. This trifle is actually called a Christmas trifle. I'm not really sure why it's called a Christmas trifle because there's nothing really Christmassy about it. The only thing I can think of is that I know trifle is very popular at Christmas time, so maybe that's why I got its name. My mum learned to make this at a Frank Moynihan cookery demonstration over 30 years ago, and it's always been popular at home. My mother has made it for all our family occasions, for Christmas, Easter and family get-togethers with extended family. So lots of people have tried it and have loved it, and really hope you'll like it too. So I'm just going to do a quick run through on the ingredients. There's only a couple of ingredients and then we'll get started. Alright, so first off, it's the trifle sponge. I'm using these ones today and there's nothing wrong with shop-bought trifle sponges. They're perfect for a trifle. Next up, we need a tin of peaches and a tin of strawberries. And you need to liquidize these with the juice. I do them in 2 separate jugs. And then we need the juice of 2 oranges. And that's it. After that, we just put custard on top and cream. Alright, so I've cut up my sponges, I've just cut them in half and I'm just going to sit them down into the bottom of my trifle bowl. Just like that. Just put a couple down there. And then I'm going to start with my strawberries. These are liquidized and the juice is included. So I'm just going to pour some of that over those sponges, just like that. Now I'm going to add another layer of trifle sponge and just push them down. And I'm going to get the liquidized peaches and pour them over. Repeat this, alternating between the strawberry and peach until it's all used up. Now pour over the last of the peach. Now what I do is I just get a knife and I poke it in a few places, just so the fruit goes through and is absorbed into all of the sponges. Now all that's left to be done is to pour over the orange juice, and this is the juice of 2 oranges. My mum used to add sherry to this trifle, a couple of tablespoons of sherry. She'd put it in with the orange juice and pour it over. I'm not adding sherry today because my kids don't like it. For the original recipe, it actually has Irish cream liqueur in it, and that's just poured over the top. I think it's a whiskey measure of that. So let's get this onto our sponge now. This will all get absorbed into the trifle, so don't worry. Just poke it again with a knife and all that liquid and fruit will soak into the sponges. I'm just going to cover this now in a bit of cling film because I'm putting it in the fridge for a few hours. This is just to protect it from any smells in the fridge. Now I'm going to pop this into the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. So let's do that now. Alright everyone, we're ready to get the custard on top of the trifle. This is sat for a couple of hours and the fruit has soaked into the sponges. Now I did realise I'd put too much trifle into my bowl. It wasn't deep enough. So what I did was I put some into 2 little glasses like this, and this is actually a lovely way to serve this trifle as well. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to get some custard and I'm going to pop it into each of these. And now I'm going to pour the rest of the custard on top of my trifle. There's about a pint of custard here, and I didn't make this, I just used good old bird's custard. There's nothing wrong with it, it's perfect for a trifle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put a little bit of cling film over this so skin doesn't form, and when it's cool I'm going to add some cream to it. And let's leave that now until it's fully cool. This is lovely and cool now, so let's remove the cling film. And now I'm going to decorate it with cream. Now you can pipe the cream on or you can spoon it on, whichever way you like. I'm going to pipe it on as I love making nice swirls with cream. And that's perfect. Okay, let's add some strawberries. These make the trifle stand out. It's nice to halve the strawberries to just give a nice look and to use some whole strawberries as well. And I like to leave the little green leaves on them. Now let's add some hundreds and thousands. I always associate hundreds and thousands with trifle. And I think that's plenty. One last thing I like to do is just add a little bit of edible glitter to the strawberries. A little bit of mint is nice as well. And there you have it, my mum's Christmas trifle, perfect for any time of the year and absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to let this chill in the fridge for about half an hour, and then I'm going to put some into a bowl so you can see what it's like on the inside. Before I do that, I wanted to show you these little mini ones that I decorated with cream, sprinkles and strawberries and mint. Absolutely delicious. So see you shortly. Alright, let's serve this up. I just want to mention that this trifle is best served within 1 to 2 days of making it. And trifle is best served with fresh cream. And there you have it, that is my mammy's trifle or Christmas trifle. Please do try it out, you will love it. Let me know in the comments below if you do try it, I'd love to know what you think of it. It is a little bit different to the traditional trifle with jelly and fruit, but it's nice to try different things, and I know you will love this as much as we do. If you haven't already, please subscribe or follow my page, and please share my videos so lots more people can see them. Thanks again, enjoy the trifle, happy baking everyone, enjoy, see you soon.